Hi, my name is Adriano Fiorenza. I am the founder and developer of GameChanger wallet. But in this case, with this project, we were contributing with another project that is called Dandelion APIs. Through this project called Dandelion PostGREST graphical user interface for developers and students. So on this Catalyst project from Fund 11, on the Cardano Open for Developers Challenge, we required 25,052 ADAs to adapt a tool for Cardano, and more specifically for the Dandelion APIs, the PostGREST API of Dandelion. The tool is now, the code of the tool is online, it's on GitHub repository, is open source. And we not only adapted the tool for Cardano, but we also created documentation around the tool, or specifically beyond the features and the new features of the tool. We actually created documentation more specifically for Cardano developers and users and students, for example. So we also deployed an online version of the tool that you can see here. You have all the links on the classical report, where you can choose a network, inet or a testnet, for example, pre-production testnet network, and you will have all the information from a node indexer to query and start working. For example, in this case, we have a offline pool metadata, and we can run some queries. And for more details, more technical details about this tool, and for a deep dive, and for jumping right into developer action with the tool to build two implementations of this with this tool to query blockchain information from Bash script and Node.js JavaScript application. Please go to also the video is on the classical report. Go to this video where I make this showcase, and I make this tutorial on how you can jump from a graphical query here on the tool that produces, for example, this URL that then you can consume on your applications without any Cardano node installation, not waiting for syncing times, not knowing maybe the PostGREST syntax. You can jump very quickly into building with this tool. And that was the most important KPI or goal of the project, to help the developer community with a better and improved developer experience with open source tooling, right? That anyone can help and can contribute to. Along the way, we have to adapt the code of the tool for Cardano and Dandelion. Then we had to produce this documentation, and of course, then also this other video and other minor stuff. But along the way, we had a bit of a issue that, of course, Dandelion APIs is a community effort. Our community nodes are offering these APIs for free for the developer and student community. So it's logical that you may have some hiccups on the service, and to avoid delaying the outputs and the milestones and delivery of the project. Also, to contribute to the Dandelion project and other projects on Cardano, we created a Dandelion Lite project that is based on the great Goyo's Lite project. It's a way to help the community to deploy a bit more easier a Cardano node with all these APIs on top. So to contribute with the Dandelion network to make it grow as it should grow, because for more than 3 years this project has been helping a lot the developer and the student community. This being said, also please contribute us with the Dandelion Lite project whenever possible, and join the Dandelion network, get closer to the project, see how you can help to keep it strong and big for all of us. Also keep in mind that with this project you can decentralize services like GameChanger wallet and also Roundtable wallet and other services and the apps around. So what's next? Well, the project is open source, and anyone is welcome to contribute to the project. We will try to maintain it, of course. We will do our best. Yeah, we can receive from now on contributions from everyone. And we will put our focus now more on the Dandelion Lite project with some great collaborators like Martin Menier that has been helping a lot on it. So that's it. Thank you for this opportunity to contribute with open source tooling for the Cardano network. We applied on this challenge because we consider that every time it's possible to build open source tools and resources for Cardano, it's a good opportunity to take, and we are very thankful for Catalyst to make this possible, because other ecosystems cannot create open source projects the way we can, thanks to Catalyst and thanks to all the voters that make this possible. Last but not least, thank you, Dandelion, for more than 3 years of service. Thanks.